Hey, what's happening, guys? Today I thought we'd take a look at this little DC power distribution block. This is a cheap one I bought off of Amazon from a company called Chansui, or something along those lines. Not quite exactly sure how you pronounce it. But it uses Anderson power pole connectors, and it's in a metallic connector, or a metallic case, which seems pretty nice. So I thought we'd take a look at this. So this has 6 connectors, which I'm assuming are wired in parallel, and we'll find out. Here's a neodymium magnet, and nothing there. Sticks to the screws. So this is probably aluminum, maybe magnesium. It is quite light, held together with 4 screws. So let's take it apart and have a look inside, shall we? Just some small screws. Now, the Anderson power pole connectors have been around for a long time. They're available in, I believe, 3 different flavors: 15, 30, and 45 amp. These are the 30 to 45 amp version, I think. And they're extremely popular with 2 specific groups. People who do RC as a hobby, radio control, whether it's airplanes or cars, trucks. And in the amateur radio world, they're also quite popular. Okay. Interesting. You can get a bit of a better look here, up close. I don't know how well you can see that, but it says in there Electronics Salon, which is one of the many Chinese manufacturers. So we've got some bus bars here on both sides. Let me see if I got a screwdriver that's deep enough we can get down in there. You gonna focus? Yeah, maybe not. So here's a pretty good look at our little board here. There you can see the Electronic Salon better. And board D1260 version 1.0. And we can take a look here at the back side, and you can see they have heavily tinned those connectors. And if you look at the PC board, you can see some rather large traces. And it's quite simple. It's parallel. You know, there are all of the black connectors together, and then all of the red connectors together. And then we also have these bus bars for additional current carrying capability. Yeah, I have no problem with this at all. This is very well done. You know, the main benefit of Anderson power poles is that they are polarity sensitive. And you can see, while you can accidentally connect a red to a black, you just hook them up the right way, and it's quite obvious if there is a problem. So you put in your power into one side, and then all of your load can go on the other sides. You shouldn't see any real drop anywhere through these, even though there's no load on here. Just making sure that they are all nicely parallel connected, which they appear to be. So yeah, I am quite happy with this, and they were considerably lower price than the name brand ones that you would get from ordering from the major hobby shops or the major radio shops. Let's go on the computer and take a quick look at that. So here's where I got it. Like I said, it's from Amazon. Yeah, it was $29.99 when I ordered it a couple of days ago. And this one has 6 ports on it. Now here's DX Engineering, which is a major supplier for amateur radio stuff. Here's their version. For $100. This one has more. It has what, 8, 9, and it's fused, of course, but every one of my radios has input fuses, so I'm not really worried about the fusing. I do like to save money though, so that's why I went with the cheap no-name brand Chinese one. So yeah, I'm always looking to save a buck or two, but I won't sacrifice safety or quality, and this does seem to be acceptable. I will put it in use in the ham radio shack, distributing my 13.8 volt DC power among the different radios and things I have hooked up in there, and report back to you guys as to how she holds up. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Big thanks to all the patrons. Big thanks to you guys for watching. That's it. I'm out. Peace.